So we find that quadratic polynomial zeros and the relation between zeros and coefficients. Now observe this. Here okay, if roots are here children, so roots are 2 and minus 5. Previously they given sum of the zeros, product of the zeros. Now alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 5. Generally, general form of the quadratic polynomial, we know that p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0. Then ax square plus bx plus c is equal to k bracket x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, where k is a constant. This is all we learned in previous class. Previous they given alpha plus beta directly. Now this sum I am giving you, alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 5. Alpha, beta, they separately they given. So how to do that? Start doing, all of you. Sir, there is no audio. Ahmad sir.
Yes, sir. What you are saying about?
Only just sound coming, sir. Yes. Children? Somebody respond. Sidra. Sidra.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Please start doing now, all of you.
Yes,
Here,
sir.
I given you alpha is equal to minus 2, beta equal to minus 5. Take it and find quadratic polynomial. Start doing. Alpha is equal to 2, beta is equal to minus 5. You know that formula. As it is, copy children. Start doing.
This is video, sir. You want to play this video? First of all, here stop share, sir.
Okay, sir. Now, okay, sir. No problem. I'm continue this. Yes, children. You got same answer. Now I'm giving you one more sum. Just take it. If alpha is equal to minus root 3, beta is equal to, here children, alpha is equal to minus root 3, beta is equal to root 3. Continue, find quadratic polynomial. Start doing. Once listen here, once better listen here. Look here, Josna.
Sir.
So the given k is equal to x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha into beta, where k is a constant. Now k bracket x square minus alpha value they given minus root 3, beta value they given plus root 3. Just replace x same. So alpha into beta minus root 3 into plus root 3. So next step, k bracket x square minus root 3 plus root 3 cancel. Is it clear, Josna?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, listen, thank you. So this value is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So here root 3 into root 3, since root 3 into root 3 square. So square root cancel, only 3 is there. So plus into minus minus. So x square minus 3. The required quadratic polynomial is x square minus 3. Start doing. Karun, you got answer? Same?
Sir, I got the same answer.
Very good, very good.
Sir, I got the same
Thank you,
answer.
Maisha. Very good,
the
Sidra.
same answer.
Yes. So, same sum, I'm explaining you one more method here. Observe here. Here, children, same. Again, take this. Ax square plus bx plus c, same children. Here, alpha minus beta, either x minus alpha into x minus beta. So k bracket x minus x bracket x minus beta into minus alpha into x minus beta. Here we know that previously we did in 90 also x minus a into x minus b. Just you have to multiply, you will get the same. K bracket x square minus alpha plus beta into x alpha into, this is previous. Here if roots are equal, for example same from previous, minus root 3 plus root 3, because the question is x minus alpha, x minus beta. So x minus alpha value minus 3, so minus of minus 3, x minus beta. So minus of minus plus 3. This is looking like a plus b, a minus b, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So we can write x square minus root 3 square. So square root cancel, therefore answer is x square minus
Square minus
3. Yeah, children, this is also just copy, only second method, like keep the heading. This one no need. Here onwards, if roots are equal, from there you start. If roots are equal, from here onwards start. So, if you want to find the quadratic polynomial, you can apply 2. If roots are different, you will apply x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta. If roots are equal, like 1 is plus 1 is minus, you can do this.
Ani sir,
Yes?
sir, minus root 3 and root 3 are not equal, right?
Roots are equal, it means I am saying that root 3 are equal. Symbols different. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I am not saying minus root 3 equal to plus root 3. So if they are equal like that, minus root 3 plus root 3 is given like that, you can apply a square minus b square formula. Better than doing this full method. Copied?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I am giving you all one. Yeah. So I'm giving you one more children. Take this. Just only copy here. Take alpha is equal to square root of 5 by 3. Beta is equal to minus square root of 5 by 3. Start and just find quadratic polynomial. Don't write full question. Just take alpha and beta only. Only these two use it and find quadratic polynomial. Enough. Darmin, are you doing? Yes. So
Sir, I
alpha
got the
is equal
answer.
to. So what is the answer?
X square minus 5 by 3.
No, one more step is there. LCM also there. You have to take LCM 3x square 5 by 3.
Sir,
Yes.
is the answer 3x square minus 15?
Not 15. How will you take 3? Already 5 by 3 now.
Yes, sir.
Sir, is the answer 3x square by 3 minus 5 by 3?
Yeah. Observe here. Answer is k bracket 3x square minus 5 by 3 is equal to k by 3 into 3x square minus 5. The required quadratic polynomial is 3x square minus 5. Maisha, you got answer?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, division algorithm. Please, I think, open your textbook. After 2.2, there is a subheading, division algorithm. Yes?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah. So let f of x and g of x be a polynomials with g of x of lower degree than f of x and g of x of degree 1 or more. These exist unique polynomials q of x and r of x such that f of x is equal to, so like if you where either remainder r of x remainder 0 or the degree of r of x is less than the degree of the g of x. For your understanding, observe here children. Now polynomials, long division is method for the division, dividing a polynomial by another polynomials of lower degree. This is very similar to the dividing the numbers. So we'll learn first chapter. Yes or no children? Divisor, what is divisor, what is quotient, what is dividend, remainder, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here also same, divisor, quotient, dividend and remainder.
Yes. Okay, sir.
Yes, clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, I will send you photos, notes later personally. So first, just try to understand enough. Now, how to do generally long division? We know that. Don't do the sum, just once listen. Here, 3x cube, that is the first term. So first term by first term, 3x cube by x. So here x cancel out. There are 3 x's are x cube, not 3 x's. So remaining only 2x. So 3x square. This will go to quotient. Yes. Now 3x square into x, 3x cube, 3x square into 4, 12x square. So symbols always change. So plus minus. So 3x cube cancel, remaining 4x square. Remaining 2 terms you can take 1 term also, no problem. Again, second term here, what is the first term? 4x square is the first. So 4x square by, again first term, x. So x, there are 2 x's are there, 1 x cancel, 4x. So now 4x writing quotient. 4x into x, 4x square, 4x into 4, 16x. So subtraction, minus, plus become minus. Yeah, again your first term is 5x by x. So x cancel 5. 5 write in quotient. So 5 into x, 5x. Now I hope you know long division, yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Pranavi,
Sir,
you understand?
kind of, sir.
Yes, thank you. Now, everybody once start doing this sum. Please start doing and get same answer. Vishta, Afsa,
Yes,
start.
sir.
Shamag, are you doing?
Yes, sir.
Good. You got same answer, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good. Observe one more example here. Take it and start doing. Four x cube plus 7x square minus 13x minus 3. Ubed?
Yes.
You got previous answer? 0. Good. Any doubt?
No doubt.
Thank you. Do this one. 4x cube, sum this sum, do it.
Sir, done.
Remainder should be minus 9.
Sir, I have done.
Good. Very good. Afsa completed.
Sir, done.
Good.
Sir, done.
Good. Now,
Sir, done.
very good, Amma. So, exercise 2.3. Once go to the text, open textbook all of you fast. Question number 1, second part. Start doing. Exercise 2.3, first question, second one. Because you need to change only one here. So here, x square plus x minus x they given. First write in standard form. X square minus x plus 1 you have to write.
Done, sir.
You got 0, Josna. Previous sum or this one?
Sir, I didn't get 0 for this one, sir.
Which one?
For this question, I didn't 0.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I got the remainder as 8
Me too.
for this sum.
No, this is next sum, new sum. Previous sum is
Yes,
different.
sir. For this sum only.
I was talking about this one, sir.
I think, Josna, you are talking about this?
Yes, sir.
So remainder is minus 9. Check once.
No, sir, the new sum that you showed, that remainder is 8. That's what I was saying.
This one.
Yes, sir.
Remainder 0. Okay. You are saying this one. Okay, right. Oh, that much fast. Good, very good. Children, here, just one small change. Here, x power 4 is there, but x cube term is not there.
Yes, sir.
Done? Reminder, you got 8. Boys?
Yes, sir.
Boys, Farhan, boys, please all boys respond. Yes?
Yes, sir.
You got reminder 8?
Yes.
Sir.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Girls?
Yes, sir.
Sidra, okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you now. Now, same exercise, question number 3, take it. Everybody copy the same question. Now question copy, full question copy children. Obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So previously already we did. Again, no problem, do it children. Now alpha is equal to square root of 5 by 3. Beta is equal to minus square root of 5 by 3. First find quadratic polynomial because g of x they given. G of x we don't know. So g of x we have to find. Start doing. Maisha, you got g of x 3x square minus 5, say?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now g of x, right, what you got the previous solution. So g of x is equal to 3x square minus 5. Do long division. Start doing long division children.
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
You got remainder 0?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Down,
So,
sir. Yeah, I got. Yes, sir.
yes. What is the quotient?
X square plus 2x plus 1.
Very good. Who is this?
Jyotsna.
Jyotsna, good. Now, here degree is 4. The given question degree is 4. So they given only 2 zeros. We have to find remaining 2 zeros. Observe here, children. Obtain all other zeros because 3x power 4, degree 4. So we need to find more 2 zeros. So all of the given square root of 5 by 3 and minus of square root of 5 by 3. They given 2. So take quotient and use splitting middle term, find the remaining zeros. Start doing. Mahisha, what is the quotient? Sarvajit.
Sir, I'm still doing.
Oh, good. Carry on. Dharmin done? Dharmin?
Yes, sir.
Good. Dishara over.
Yes, sir. I got the answers.
So what is the remaining 2 zeros?
Minus 1 and minus 1.
Very good. Therefore, zeros of the given polynomial is equal to 4 right, children. Minus 1 comma, minus 1 comma, minus 1 comma, square root of 5 by 3, minus of square root of 5 by 3. 4 right. The question only find all other zeros.